Welcome back. Now you can operate the Edge browser with Cortana, the voice assistant. And all you'll need to do is to use the regular command for Cortana. So for example, if we were to say to our microphone, "Hey Cortana," search for Facebook marketing tips.
I pulled up some videos for you.
You can also ask Cortana questions. Hey Cortana, what are best-selling books on the subject of marketing? And as you can see, Cortana will give you results in the Bing search engine. And we can work again. Hey Cortana, what are good tips to promote my website? So just about any phrase that you want to put into the search bar in Bing, you can also call out to Cortana, and Cortana will do the searching for you. And you can visit specific websites. Hey Cortana, visit www.amazon.com. Now Cortana can be turned off of the Edge search. And to do that, you're going to go to these three dots. You're then going to go to the Settings button. Once you do that, you're going to scroll down to the Advanced Settings. You'll then click Advanced Settings. Once you do that, you're going to scroll down to Advanced Settings. Once you have Advanced Settings, you're going to click the link. What you're going to do is scroll midway down, and you're going to look for one area that says Have Cortana Assist Me in Microsoft Edge. You're going to turn that off. Once you do that, then you will no longer be doing voice search with Cortana. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.